Question 6, we have 4 diagrams, 4 graphs, and we have to link them with the equations of the lines on those graphs. Now, anywhere where you have this kind of line that's getting less steep and then more steep, so graphs B and C, that's always to do with cubics. So that's always to do with cubed graphs. When you have a graph that goes like this, a smile or a hill, then that's always to do with something squared. So this was cubed, this was squared. And whenever you have this kind of graph, it's to do with fractions over x. Okay, we can talk about that in just a second. So the easiest one to identify is graph D, y equals x squared. Square numbers are always positive, so this is getting more and more positive to go up. And a negative number squared is also positive, so this one has to link here. D has to be the squared graph. The two cubed graphs are interesting. We've got y equals x cubed and y equals negative x cubed. So cube numbers, if you think about 1 cubed is positive, 2 cubed is positive, 3 cubed is positive, negative 1 cubed is negative, negative 2 cubed is negative, negative 3 cubed is negative. So graph C is y equals x cubed. Graph B is just a reflection in the x-axis, so it's y equals negative x cubed. So it's negative, your positive cube numbers, negative, your negative numbers cubed, which makes them positive. So that one is B. 1 over x works because 1 over any positive number is always positive, but the higher the value of x, the smaller the value of y, hence why this gets closer and closer to 0 as x increases. And for negatives, 1 divided by any negative value of x is always negative. Similarly, getting closer and closer to 0, the larger the value of x, the more negative the value of x. So this one must be A. You get 1 mark for getting 2 out of 4. You get another mark for getting all 4 correct.